Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings, then go to the languages and input, manage keyboards, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. So you can see like the whole list of the available keyboard languages. So as you can see, it's like pretty enormous. Like there's like tons of different languages here which you can type in. So let's select, for example, Greek, tap done. And now let's try to type something in Greek language. So as you can see now, by tapping this globe icon, I can switch languages, and here I have my Greek layout, and now I can type just like ancient Greek philosopher. Really nice. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.